All right, I'm at 4582 Logans Way. It is November 8th, 2024, 5:15 in the afternoon. It's about 75 degrees out. Gonna attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. These 3-tab shingles are over 15 years old. These are typically pretty brittle and hard to repair. So I'm gonna test the repairability of this shingle and see what the surrounding shingles look like once the repair is done. So I'll be utilizing a flat bar and a roofing hatchet, and I'll be lifting these shingles up 45 degrees or less to get the nails out and nail them back perpendicular to the roof surface. So I'm gonna give it a shot here. All right. And just lifting these nails up, or these shingles up, just high enough to get the nails out. Nail. All right, old shingle out, new shingle in. All right, gonna be using a roofing hatchet. Gonna be driving these nails perpendicular to the roof surface. Gotta lift it up high enough to get the nail in. So. A lot of granule loss. I don't know if you can pick up that audio, but a lot of these granules coming off these shingles. All right, let's take a look at these shingles that are remaining. I can see crease marks here. This whole shingle is creased. In the corners, it looks real bad. Crease marks on here. These shingles have been fractured. The matting is fractured due to these shingles being brittle. So crease line all right here, all right here. I'm gonna give these a light dusting. Pretty much what a small gust of wind would do. This to really show what these shingles are going to look like with a little bit of rainfall and wind. So a lot of granule loss. You can see all across here. That's fractured matting. Fractured matting, you can feel it when you try and lift these up. Corners, this is almost torn right here. All fractured matting. That's almost a tear right here. Same thing all the way across all these shingles. All of this is all damaged. So replacing one wind damaged shingle resulted in a minimum of 3 other shingles damaged after the repair is completed. So I would consider this a failed attempt. This is not bringing the roof back to pre-walls condition, and wouldn't repair my house like this.